Okay, so you're learning something about me. I just can't talk fast. I just want you to understand it so much that I just talk so slow. Anyway, because this is 440 thousandths, that's smaller than 444 thousandths. So the one that does not repeat, the one that terminates is second, and the one that does repeat is the greatest. So that's the order from greatest to least. Let's see if I can do the next one a little faster. I like to write down what I've got. So worried I'm going to press a button. So I can then be very orderly about what it becomes. 23% as a decimal, we're learning percent means out of 100. So this is 0.23. I went to all of that effort to change the color and it didn't change. Ay, ay, ay. And this one already is a decimal, so I'll keep the 0.21 on that. Let's see if it likes me. 1/4, 1/4. I know I'm going to do my work over here. If I multiply by 25, I'll get 100. If I multiply this by 25, that's 2,500. So 0.25. And then 1/5. If I multiply, are you entertained that I'm trying to change the color and it doesn't work? 20 hundredths. So this one is 0.20. Now they're all the same length. They're all hundredths. Which one's the smallest? 20 hundredths is the smallest. I write these in order. Okay, I'm selecting red. Okay. Using the original. So this one's the 1/5. Yay. Then 21 hundredths was next. That started as a decimal. Then 23, that was a percent. And then the 25 hundredths, which was the fraction 1/4. So that's the order from least to greatest. Again, look at all this work I have. I wrote down the original. I changed them all to decimals. I had to do some work over here. So make sure that you're showing your work to help yourself have that thought process. Please pause and try this one. Come back on to see how it's done. So here we are. I've got 35%, 1/3, 0.24, and 0.30. 35% is 35 hundredths. 3, I can't easily change into a decimal, so I'm going to do 1 divided by 3. 3 times 3 is close to 10. I have something left over, so bring it down. 3 divides into 10 3 times with 1 left over. Oh boy, see what's happening? We have a repeating 3. So I'm going to write the 3 once, knowing that it will repeat 3s. Then I have a decimal 0.24 and a decimal 0.30. In order to make them all the same length, I need to annex another 3 here. The reason I annex a 3 is because this is repeating. If I need more, I'm going to add more 3s. However, I should now be able to compare since they're all the same length. 24 hundredths is the smallest, and that started as 0.24. These are what I put in my answer because that's what they started as. Then 30, that's 0.30. Then 33, so 1/3, and then 35%. These are the numbers that were given to you, but now in order least to greatest. Now you're going to practice some homework with that.